Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install PIP in Cursor AI code editor tool. So Cursor AI is a AI driven AI tool that helps you to write code with the help of AI. So first I will go to the terminal and I will open the command prompt, and then first I need to check whether PIP is installed in my system or not. So for that I'll use the command pip dash dash version. No, pip is not installed. Now what I need to do is I have to download the installation script first. So for that I'll just copy and paste the command over here, and I will have to press enter. So I'm going to provide this command in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste. So right now the download process has been started. It will take few more seconds to complete. So we are done. So next I'm going to run this command. Just copy and paste it over here and press enter. So pip has been successfully installed. So next I'm going to set the environment variable. So for that I will go in the search bar. I will type edit the system environment variable. Go to environment variable, go to path and open this, and I'm going to add this path over here. So just copy paste the path, do control C and go and edit new and paste it over here, and just remove the extra characters or this punctuation and click OK. OK. So environment variable is set. Now I'm going to close this application and I will open the application again. Open the cursor application and let me just open the terminal again. Open the command prompt and just type the command pip dash dash version. Look, pip has been installed for Python version 3.13.